Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Edgewell Personal Care's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Edgewell Personal Care, known for its diverse portfolio of consumer products, has just released its earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from sales performance to strategic moves like the divestiture of their feminine care business.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Edgewell reported fourth quarter net sales of $537.2 million, a 3.8% increase from the previous year. However, for the full fiscal year 2025, net sales decreased by 1.3% to $2.223 billion. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
While the quarterly sales growth is a positive sign, the annual decline reflects some of the challenges Edgewell faced throughout the year. The adjusted EPS for the quarter was 68 cents, which fell short of the 82 forecast by analysts. This shortfall can be attributed to various factors, including currency impacts and increased promotional expenses.
And how did the company perform in terms of profitability?
For the full year, Edgewell's adjusted EPS was $2.52, which is quite robust despite the sales decline. This indicates that the company managed to maintain profitability through cost management and strategic initiatives.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Edgewell's gross margin for the fourth quarter was 38.8%, a decrease of 230 basis points. What were the main drivers behind this margin contraction?
The decline in gross margin was primarily due to unfavorable currency impacts and increased promotional spending. However, the company has been working on operational efficiencies, which should help in margin recovery moving forward.
Looking ahead, what can investors expect from Edgewell in fiscal 2026?
Edgewell has provided an adjusted EPS outlook for 2026 in the range of $2.15 to $2.55. The divestiture of their feminine care business for $340 million is a strategic move to streamline operations and focus on core areas. This should position them well for organic growth in the coming years.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Edgewell has been focusing on international markets, which saw a 6.9% organic growth. How does this compare to their performance in North America?
International markets have been a bright spot for Edgewell, with strong volume and price gains. In contrast, North America experienced a slight decline of 0.6%, mainly due to increased promotional activities in the sun and skin care segment.
And what about their capital allocation strategy?
Edgewell returned $120 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases in fiscal 2025. They've also authorized a new $100 million share repurchase program, which underscores their commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
CEO insights and strategic focus. Rod Little, Edgewell's CEO, mentioned a focus on execution and margin recovery. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The CEO emphasized the company's efforts to drive productivity and innovation with consumer-led product launches across key regions. Edgewell is positioning itself for growth, particularly in the second half of 2026, by leveraging its revitalized brand portfolio and streamlined operations.
It sounds like Edgewell is setting the stage for a strong comeback. What are your final thoughts on their strategic direction?
Edgewell's strategic focus on core areas and divestiture of non-core assets like the feminine care business should enhance their agility and consumer focus. This, combined with their innovation agenda, positions them well for sustainable growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Edgewell Personal Care has navigated a challenging fiscal year with strategic initiatives that set the stage for future growth. Their focus on operational efficiencies and market expansion, particularly internationally, is promising. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Edgewell's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Edgewell's performance and future outlook in the comments below. Until next time.